Welcome to code tutorial, and in this lesson we are going to learn about combined condition. In previous lessons we have learned about condition and symbol condition, and we have also learned about multiple condition, but in this lesson we are going to learn about combined condition and how effectively we are going to use and also organize our program. Let's get started. Okay, we have like combined condition, and for combined condition I will just make a variable like age, which should be 18, and we have like gender, okay, which should be like string, and we are going to say that male. Okay, now I will combine the two variable with condition, and we are going to say that if a person of the age is 18 and also male, they can do one task, otherwise they cannot do that task. Okay, now what I'm going to do, for example, if age is equal to 18, and with the combination of the end, we are going to just join or combine two condition in one line, and that is how we are going to just organize our program in more beautiful way. Now gender, okay, here we are going to use double equal sign, which is because we are just comparing the value, and that is like assigning the value. Okay, now gender should be equal to, and we are going to say that male. Then it should print like you can get the card. Maybe there is some card which is only for the teenagers, and the person who is also 18 years old, and he should be male, not a female, that then he can get a card, and that is how our programming work. Now you can get the card. Okay, if it should be like female, and female is like coming here, the program is blank, and we can also write else condition, and we are going to print either your age is not 18 or you are not male. Okay, then we will get the result like either your age is not 18 or you are not male. It means that it should be like male and you can get the card, and the person should be exactly like 18 years old, otherwise we will not get the same. Okay, we are restricting like two condition, and that two conditions should be true. For example, age should be true and gender should be true. True and true means true, and like true, like if I'm going to write print true and true, then you will get like the result is true. And if true and false, you will get the result false, and false and false, and you will get the result false, because false and false is false, and like false and true is equal to, like we get like false. Okay, now for the condition which we are using, like the both conditions should be true, otherwise if we are going to use and, it means we are imposing both conditions should be true. If either one of the condition is not true, then we will get the result which is false. Okay, now similarly we are going to use maybe we are going to use one more combined condition, and that is like if age is equal to 18 or gender is equal to like male, then what should be the condition? Print you can get the card. Okay, otherwise we are going to say that else sorry you don't have permission. Okay, Now when I'm going to run like the program, you can get the card because we have both the values which are like true. And if I'm going to make it like that should be female, and I'm going to print, and you will get the first output which either your age is not 18 or you are not male. But in second program you can see that you can get the card. Still we are getting the card because we are saying the condition that or. It means one condition should be true, then we will get the result in true. Either it should be 18 or it should be male, we will get a true. And you can also check that by printing like true or false. Now the result should be true, okay, because you are saying true or false. It means one condition is getting true values, or either any one of that value is getting any true values, then we will get the print which is true. Like we are getting one true values, and therefore the condition is saying okay, you are like just getting one true condition, therefore you are getting the result as a true. If we are getting true and true, then it means you will be definitely that is also true. And if you are getting like false and true, again you are getting true. But false and false will be false, okay, because no values, not a single value is like getting a true value, therefore we are getting false. And therefore we are going to just combine many like condition in one combined condition, or we are going to also like add more values here. For example, we are going to say that and maybe age, gender, and we are also adding and color should be is equal to red. Okay, now we are going to write color which is equal to like red. If all three options are true, then you will get a true value. If any one of that value is not true, then you cannot get. For example, all three values are true and you are getting a true values. And if it is, for example, red is green, then you cannot get like the true value here. But here for example, if I'm going to add color as well, and which should be like red, then again we are getting one value or two value which is true, and that will give us the true value. But here we have like one value which is not true, which is green, and here we have red, therefore we are getting like that is not a true. Therefore you can combine more than 2, 3 or any number which you want, then you can add that with the help of or and AND. But remember that for the AND all value should be true, otherwise you will not get a true value. For or any one value, if any one value will be true, then you will get a true value. I hope you got the idea that how you are going to combine conditions in Python. If you like that video, just thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, just press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get a new notification as soon as we are going to upload the videos. And for now, give me permission to say goodbye.